Hi guys, this is my second video. Today I wanna make simple animation of firework. So let's check it out. First, I wanna make typography. I already have a sketch. So now I just make it more bold and give them shading and lighting. After I thicken the line, I use round brush to make lighting. Don't forget to use clipping mask at lighting layer. We can adjust the opacity and the brush size. Now, lower the lighting layer opacity so it makes the light more real. Do clipping mask too for a shading layer. I use stucco for the brush. I lower the opacity for the shading layer too. The last, we need a little white touch. After that, I merge all layer and blending all color. Now let's make animation. Duplicate it layer and erase some font. Erase some letter using the eraser on the second layer from the bottom. Continue to the next layer so that when we press play, it looks like a moving text. We can setting our animation as a loop, ping pong, or one shot. For my case, I use loop. We can adjust our animation time or frame per second. So, this is the result. Now we move to the firework. I'm using luminescent bronze. I pick glimmer. Click duplicate it. And make spacing more big. I'm using orange gold color. You can copy the code if you want to get the same color. After that, make a circle in your canvas. If you want to save your original design, make a duplicate of your design layer and then uncheck the layer that you want to save. Now, if you made a change, it just affected in your active layer. Click Adjustment, pick Perspective Blur, Directional, move the circle, go up, and make the triangle go down. Drag your pencil to the right until the blue line reaches 100%. After that, you can duplicate the layer to make more bold. I duplicate 3 times and then I merge all layers. After that, go to the adjustment, liquify, crystal, and make size more big. Now, you can see the line of the light become zigzag. Now I will use original layer. Turn on, make size more big, and try to put point of light at the end of the light line, which we have created on the top layer. I duplicate the original one, click one time add layer, pick select, and change the color to the white color. Now your point of the light become white. You can adjust opacity if you want and copy the layer to make it more bold. Now, click Adjustment, Gaussian Blur, drag your pen to the right, Now we make smoke firework. Click new layer. Use sculpt brush. Use the same color with your firework. Change the opacity if you need. Now make smoke effect to your firework. Merge all layer. To make different color firework, I click Adjustment, color balance, and then change the color you want. Now, let's make the animation. Duplicate the layer. Now we make the initial spark of the firework. Use action, guideline, symmetry, radial. Place the midpoint where you will make the initial spark of the firework. Use the same color as the firework that you have generated. Draw lines and dot as follows. Try to play until you get firework that is close to the original. The last but not least, I put layer animation of my typography in the last scene. So this is the result. Thank you for watching my video.